Hello everyone, so I've just walked into Dollar Tree and the Halloween stuff is pretty much picked over, but I wanted to share that they have these books. So if you're doing a boo basket, I think these are perfect for a young adult or teenager. Lots of Christmas out already. The floral. Now there are boxes, so I think they're working on it, but these are a touch like a very light velvet velour feel on the leaves. They have some snow picks. Still holding out hope for the ghost mug, but all I keep finding are these glass ones, so I don't think I'm going to find them this year. Maybe next year. Who bought the ghost mug? There was a skull mug, a ghost, a gnome, a pumpkin. There were 2 pumpkins. These are glass, really pretty. Lots of crafts for the kids too. Keep in mind, you might even want to grab a little kit or something cute for the younger ones who might not be able to have a treat, or older ones. I had coloring books that were a huge hit last year. These are so cute. Lots of ribbon if you're making a boo basket, and they have lights as well and lots of faux pumpkins. Still a lot of fall things. Wow, really large wood pieces. I don't think I saw these anywhere else. Look at this gorgeous haunted house. You can really do a nice like scape, I don't know what it's called, on a fireplace mantle. They're just wire LEDs, and it looks like there's 2 colors, the copper and silver. There's still so many fall items. I'm actually really surprised that this isn't all sold. I think it really depends on the neighborhoods and the Dollar Trees that you shop at. This is a really large bat, and I didn't see it anywhere else, the tinsel bat. And it's mixed in here with all the skeletons. Cute, right? You could use these to play with little dolls. They can have their little luggage. I know it's supposed to be for a blending brush or sponge carry, but there's lots of new things here. There's always new things in the makeup area. Well, I don't know. I guess, yeah, this is kind of like the nail section. I'll check out some of the makeup as well. I know some of you have been asking for me to take some extra time here. This is new, compact mirror. Really pretty colors. Lots of nail kits. Beautiful. Lots of shimmer and glitter. These are really nice as well. They have a mix of matte and shiny. These have little studs or little diamonds. These look like fun. I don't know how to apply them, so I have no review or feedback. Maybe some of you do. But like, look at all the little pearls. Would that be heavy on your eyelids? I don't know. So many different kinds. These caught my eye. They're so pretty. So nice just to keep any of your necessities in your bag or even as a pencil case. I love them all. I think they're really great. I'm gonna grab some because I like to give them even to the girlies. Lots of accessories here. There's a little kit, nail kit. These are gems in heart shape. These I feel like they're newer. I've found some other ones that are similar with gem effect. These are acrylic stamps, and there's an acrylic block now made by Forever in Time. If I see it, I'll share with you. But I have spotted it and shared it in previous walkthroughs. Oh boy, here are some more, and these are new to me. These are great for making cards, just doing like layering effects. I If you're into paper crafts, you know how much stamps can come in handy. They have all the staples that I normally see at most of my toiletries. Lots of beads here as well. The letter tiles. I don't know if you're doing any Scrabble type looking DIYs. There's some great inspiration out there. Lots of wood beads. I think this pack is new. There's a lot of different wood pieces here. Now, I've been finding some very large pieces at certain toiletries, and then I don't know if they're sold out. And this is a great value, by the way. These are like $20 at Michael's, the exact same ones. I'll be honest, this toiletry is not super messy, but it's not in tip-top shape like the ones I normally visit. And so you'll probably notice that this one is not looking like my normal videos. And I always notice you guys comment. This is a great find, by the way. If you're doing something, you can use the back of it. But like if you're hanging something on a wreath, you can just turn the sun around. So I notice many of you comment that the toiletries I normally post, which are my local toiletries, I'm not in my local area. This is a great find too, that the stores are organized, and they are. So it's like sometimes I'm so lucky and spoiled. Like mine never look like this, and this is not bad, don't get me wrong, but oh, here's some diamond painting, little birds. This is new. These are great little stocking stuffers. Forever and Time ink pads. Little ladybugs. And there's Disney stuff here. I believe these are new. I haven't seen them. They're Sesame Street books. And there's 2 Circle of Friends as well. I'm in the toiletry area, and I'm spotting a bunch of stuff I've never seen anywhere else. So these here are the lip masks, I think. And they have some different creams here that I haven't seen. Face masks, I keep spotting new ones in every toiletry I go to. I wonder if these are nice scented. They look popular, especially the scent here. Lots of wipes. Oh, this is the Glow Up skincare that's supposed to be, I think, a dupe of Glow Recipe. Be careful because they're glass and this one's broken. These are cute. I like having bags like this. At least you can see what's in it, and like your necessities or whatever goes in your travel bag. I actually think these are great. There's gel, conditioner. I always like browsing through this section because I'll look at material like this and I'll find other ways to use it. I don't know if this one's broken. Maybe the elastic is broken. But yeah, and there's also great stuff for your hair. Scrunchies are still in. Are they still in? They've been in for a little while now, right? They have rollers for your hair, big giant clips if you're trying to style your hair. Oh, these are like headbands. These are wonderful chopsticks to put together as part of a Christmas gift or stocking stuffer. I always recommend putting things aside as you see them and It makes it a little bit easier than at the last second trying to find things. Plus, you'll find good brand items for a lot less. You'll save yourself money and you'll get good quality items. So as of lately, I have been noticing new products hit the shelf in the cleaning aisle. So I'm just being a little bit more mindful. It's somewhere that I kind of just skim through. You know, sometimes you do find a really nice brand named item. Has anyone tried this? I used to get the LA's Totally Awesome, but now it's the Wizard brand. Lots of water bottles still, and even outdoor glass cups. Like, I love these for outdoors around the pool or on a patio. Much safer than having glass break. These are cool too, but they're like a crushed effect. Lots of containers if you're starting to make, like if you start to bake things for Thanksgiving or Christmas, you might want to pop into Dollar Tree just to take a look at some of their really nice plastic storage containers or tins or cardboard. They'll have lots of different options. I'll keep you posted. So there's this one area here of Christmas that they've started to put things out. And look at this. Isn't this perfect for the Grinch? Just to make like a little Grinch. Red fur reminds me of thing 1, thing 2. Lots of ribbon for Christmas. I was hoping to see if there was something new, but so far they're just starting to put stuff out, and I think we know all these things. These are all wood beads, and they're colored and painted and ready for you to make crafts and DIYs. So I think that's amazing and a fantastic value. And they have the candy cane form, which you can use for making swags, I think they're called, when you know the really long wreath forms. In the craft section, these are new to me. I've never seen them. They have a flower. It's kind of like bendy, decorative, a wallflower. Lots of leftover things from the gardening season. Just like spring, summer stuff. I know some of you have been searching for this, so it's 3. I'm going to grab another one of these binders, I think, for my daughter as a backup. It's hard to find a good binder. These are pretty. Has anyone made the little skeleton in the bath with these? I think it would be a fun DIY. And these are amazing. Oh, wow. Some more maybe green here for Grinchy things. But these are amazing for making gingerbread houses. So you can spray paint it brown and then do all your little white detailing. And I think there are two different kinds. So there's this one here and this one. These are giant balloons. Or maybe not so large, but they look like fun. I always like looking in the party, like baby shower, bridal shower, because you can use things and cross them over into a party decor or a New Year's celebration, different things. I love the foil balloons, by the way. They have some of these new inflatable, you have to blow them up with a straw yourself, but look at this. Like, how cute. It has a whole bunch of little stars. I think I'm gonna grab this one. And then I usually get the birthday, like just regular happy birthday. I found another star that kind of just, there's a large star, a medium star, and a small star tiered together, like top to bottom. So I'm just adding to the collection. And then when it comes to a birthday, I like to have things decorated in the kitchen. These are cute. They're Spider-Man. And then you have like plastic stuff. I think these are such beautiful cake toppers, but even like you don't have to use them as a cake topper. You can use them as a decorative on like a bag or attached to a gift, like a card. You can use it in paper crafts. Look how beautiful this centerpiece is. I'm surprised these haven't sold out. I was expecting them to be all gone. A unicorn game. This is new. Have not seen it yet. This is the first time. That's fun. Pin the tail on the donkey. Unicorn games. I hope you enjoyed walking through Dollar Tree with me today. And until next time, everyone, thank you so very much for watching. Bye for now.
Summer is ended, the leaves are turning brown. Red and yellow, soon they'll be falling down. Now, I'm not ready, not just yet. I'm not ready for autumn. Autumn comes too soon.